Alright, so everybody, look at this, everybody. They're clearing the snow. It's midnight already. We just had to run some errands, but we're going home anyways. Look at this, everybody. They're clearing the snow. I'm just about to head home, but look at this. There goes an excavator. They're clearing the snow. The road is closed right now. To the lantern. There could be a truck coming or to the other street. Yeah. There's a bulldozer. Yep, that's right. It's a bulldozer. Bob the Builder's working out. Gotta be careful because it could be slippery. Wow. All night long. As much, the workers are better than New York City. In New York City, they had those. It's just me for today. Elinor and Fluttershy is at home, but maybe we could watch by the window at my room. Yep, they're still working. The road is closed temporarily, just for a few hours. Of the city of White Plains. Yep, they're clearing the snow. 8 days ago, it was snowing a lot. 8 days ago, that was like 1 week ago, it was snowed a lot. Here we go. Alright, gotta be careful with the icy because look, so slippery a little bit. Hard snow. Alright, let's see when I get inside. That kind of looks like a Cosmo robot. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Kind of looks like Cosmo and Vector. Let's go, the real Cosmo robot. It's a real life Cosmo robot. I hope tomorrow it's clear because the school buses comes tomorrow in the morning. Here comes the big one. That's a lot of trucks. All right. Let me wipe my rims. That's a lot of snow. We'll watch it by upstairs. I made it upstairs. Let me roll the window. Sorry. Come on. There we go. Sorry you won't able to see the trucks. Sorry for revealing my neighborhood, but I just want to see only for some news purposes or something. I don't know what type of purposes is this. Video type. Not exactly, not like non-commercial use or commercial use, but I'm not sure. Alright, here we go again, my stupid memory storage. Even I'm sorry, I have to delete the YouTube app for a few hours because My memory storage is now full. Sorry for a not good focus camera, but here goes. We'll watch it for 5 minutes before we end the video. Yep, as you can see, here goes the truck down here. Look at this, everybody. It's a night downtown White Plains. Alright, I'm gonna get Elinor and Fluttershy. Hey, Ilico, look! A truck outside. Yeah. Yeah, sorry we didn't see it, but it's coming anyways. Yeah. Hi, Eilic. Hi, Eilic. Hi, Eilic. Do you like the trucks? Hey, Ivy. Do you like the trucks? Emo. Do you like the trucks? Let's go grooming.
Absolutely. I will trust the powerful and perfect for adventures. Want to hear choo-choo?
They're handy for communication, but can get cluttered. Do you have a favorite kind of truck?
Ivy, sing a song. We'll hear the song while we watch the trucks. And here comes another one. Sorry, it's just my Munich house in the shadow. I'm gonna leave my phone right here for a second. I'm gonna get Elinor and Fluttershy. It's in my backpack. I hope tomorrow Pinkie Pie comes. Sorry, let me go get my...
Don't worry. Trucks are neat and can carry lots of fun stuff.
Alright, got my backpack. Alright. Hey, Elinor, Fluttershy, look, a truck. They're cleaning my neighborhood. Oh, wow, I can see some trucks. Everybody loves the vehicles. Some road vehicles. Right, Elinor? Oh, yeah, look nice. All right. Oh, I see it coming. Here it comes. Here comes an excavator or bulldozer. Bulldozer, a snowplow. Look at that. Look at that cloth. Awesome. Look at that claw. Yeah. Oops, let me change the ChatGPT mode. Wow. Here it comes. Oops, how can I go to ChatGPT mode? Oh, there we go. I don't want face-to-face, I want ChatGPT mode. Come on. You know what? Here it goes. Ah. Hi, Eilic. Hi, Eilic. All right. Alright, I hope you like this video. We're not going to watch the whole thing because it's going to take forever. Plus, I might have to do something else before I have to go to sleep. Brush my teeth after dinner. Alright, let's watch one more truck to leave. It's backing up. Part 2 will be for tomorrow. Let's see if it's clear before I head to school. But here it goes. Yep. Here goes the cars right here. Alright, Elinor, Fluttershy, you could take a break. Yeah. Good night. Yeah. Here we go. How can I change? Wow. Here goes the snowplow. Sorry, my memory storage is full again. Oh my god, memory storage full sucks. I want to keep it like this. Alright, we'll watch stupid storage. Alright, here it goes. Alright, Eilic. Hey, Eilic. Alright. Alright, hope you like this video. We're not gonna watch the whole thing because my storage keeps saying it's full. I might have to delete some old photos. Alright, I hope you like this special report news about clearing the snow off the roads in all streets. Anyways, have a good night. I'm not gonna watch the whole thing, but I'll see you tomorrow when it's clear. In the morning, I hope it's clean. I'll meet you at morning. So today is part 1. Alright, that'll be it. Have a good night. Oh, look at this, everybody. The trucks are leaving soon. I'm sorry. Watch one more time. Alright. The trucks are leaving. Alright, hope you have a great night. So, that'll be it.